Hello, my name is Prit Chouhan and I introduced the formal training of the Makaton language program to the region over 10 years ago, training parents, carers and professionals. So why Makaton? Well, we all know how important it is to be able to communicate, to being understood and to understanding others. But many people of all different ages have real difficulty in communicating. I have seen firsthand how Makaton can be used to help anyone of any age overcome the challenges they're experiencing with communication. Makaton uses a structured multimodal approach to developing communication, language and literacy skills by making available different ways of communicating. Makaton combines the signs, which are the hand gestures, and symbols, which are the visual pictures, always with speech using everyday functional vocabulary. Any combination of signs and symbols can be used to meet the communicative needs of an individual.
Makaton helps individuals
with communication difficulties
to be able to communicate
their everyday
needs and wants,
to interact with others
And to engage in meaningful conversations.